what's up, everybody? I'm here with
Stephanie.
All right, what are we making tonight?
We are making salsa chicken rice casserole.
Good reading. Yep, we're working on our reading. So yeah, salsa chicken rice casserole. This is one that, how many times have we made this before? 0, but it sounded really good. We found this on allrecipes.com. We love the ingredients, that it's just one of those recipes that it's quick to throw together, perfect for a weeknight meal. What are you looking at snacking on? What are you doing? What do you do? What are you munching? She's stealing rice. You see this? I'm stealing the rice. Yeah. You were also munching on the cheese earlier. So
right, you guys are watching the dance,
yeah.
but I kept on missing the floss. I'm like, I want to see the floss.
So we're going to go ahead, set up the ingredients. There's really not a lot of ingredients, and most of these you probably already have in your pantry. So super simple to make, a lot of ingredients already on hand, and it seems really good. So we're going to go ahead and give this a shot. So let's get to the ingredients. Ready? All right. Go ahead.
Okay, we just got into the ingredients. So this is cheese, rice.
Okay. What else?
Chicken. And we have onion. Cream of chicken.
Creamy chicken soup, yep.
And tomatoes. Not tomatoes.
Well, they are tomatoes, but they're a special spicier kind of tomatoes. What's it called? Salsa. Yep. So we have 2 cups of Monterrey Jack and Cheddar cheese. I made about a little too much of the rice, probably about 2 cups. We're going to need probably about 1.5. I used 2 chicken breasts. Now this is already cooked and diced up. Now the recipe that I've seen calls for it boiled, but I don't like that. I like having it nice and kind of have a little bit of that mild reaction to kind of char it up. Yeah, we will like it browned, right? Got about half of a red onion finely diced, about 1.5 cups of salsa, and then 1 cup of cream of chicken soup. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and mix some of this together. So we're going to mix together the cream of chicken soup, the onions, and the salsa. So how about we pour this in? Go ahead, you got it? There you go. Look at that flop. Yep. Yeah, let's flop that in. There we go. All right, onions. Go ahead, baby.
That's sticky.
Yep, and then we're going to let me scoop the rest out. And then last, salsa. Now this is mild salsa. What do you think? Was it very spicy or maybe just a little spicy?
Maybe a little.
Little? Yeah. All right. So go ahead now, slowly mix that up. Remember, you want to speak loud, okay?
Yeah.
So while that is going on, we already have an oven preheating to 350 degrees. And what I'm also going to do is, we'll rinse out these bowls. But we're also going to go ahead and preheat our pan. Now, for this recipe, we're going to use a smaller casserole dish. So this is about it's a little smaller than a 9x13. So we're gonna go ahead and go and, oh, there's the spray. Oh, I like that. I like how you're turning that stuff. Good job.
And
so you want to scoop the bottom too. Well, you want to scoop the bottom, right? So scoop and twirl. There you go. I like that. Nice job.
yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray this quick with some cooking spray. Nicely done, honey. All right.
Am I one of your best chefs you cooked with?
Absolutely. All right, here, let me go ahead. You did a good job. So we scoop the bottom and turn. So this is called folding it in. And then we turn the bowl a little bit. You just want to mix it. There we go. Get your fingers out of my bowl, Missy. All right. I think that's pretty well mixed, right? Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go start layering this in our dish.
Sticky.
Yes, it is, honey. So we're gonna now mix the rice. So we're gonna put a good layer of the rice down. Now this rice has already been cooked, so we put this in our rice cooker.
Called an Instant Pot.
Okay, so we did it in the Instant Pot, which is our rice cooker. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna put, I'm gonna say about
It's a head.
half a cup, maybe 3/4 of a cup. So, all right, put a layer of rice down. Now we're gonna put half of the chicken down. So like I said, we cooked up about 2 chicken breasts. We're gonna put about half of the chicken down. So we're gonna do this in layers. We're gonna do 1 layer and then a second. So we got the rice, we got the chicken. All right. And then we're gonna go ahead and put half of this salsa mixture down. And then this is you next, Stephanie. Now you're gonna do the cheese, okay?
Okay.
So after we put half of this salsa mixture down, get the cheese ready. All right, so we're gonna pour this salsa mixture down. And then do you remember how to put cheese down? Pinch and make it rain, right? Sprinkle it on. All right. Go ahead and do that. And then you're gonna put half of that on there, Steph. Hang on a second. Give me a second. All right, go ahead, baby. You do it. There you go. We're gonna do half of this, so we're gonna need a lot more. We're gonna want this to be cheesy, right? Cheesy.
Cheesy monster.
Come on, grab it. Grab a little more.
Cheesy monster.
All right, and
Let
then
me see a cheesy monster.
okay, that's good. All right, and then we're gonna go through and do 1 more layer of everything. So again, we're gonna do the rice. So a layer of the rice, and then after that the chicken.
Chicken.
Yup.
Yeah, leftover rice.
Yeah, we are gonna have a little bit, which is fine. We use rice in a lot of stuff.
Rice is good.
Oh yeah, it is.
So much.
Okay, so there we go. Stephanie, you went to grab the chicken and start throwing it on top.
Yeah.
And like I said, we already have this oven preheating at 350. And this is going to go for about, I'd say, 25-30 minutes. Maybe a little bit longer for this dish. Now, if you're making this on a 9x13, if you're doubling this recipe for a 9x13, it's probably going to go to about 40-35 minutes maybe. Okay? But for this, maybe a half hour might be good. Go ahead, go wash your hands quick. Yep, bring the stool over. Man, I can tell you right now, this sauce mixture right here with the salsa and the cream of chicken and the onion smells great. So spread this on top. Come on, Steph, hurry up. It's about to be your part again. We're about to do the cheese. Oh, am I going to do it without you?
No.
Uh-oh, hurry up.
I'm just going on the towel.
Hurry up. Oh, I'm too late. You missed it.
Not it.
No, you didn't. All right. And then let's throw on the rest of that cheese.
Cheesy monster.
Why are you saying cheesy monster? Where did this come from?
My mind.
Your mind? Brilliant. Let's spread it all around.
Let's get all this cheese.
Yeah, we want all of this cheese. We want to spread it nice and evenly on top. On. What is this? That's why I'm saying evenly on top, baby. So there we go. So we've got two nice, good layers. There we go. Spread around the edges. Nice. I think there's a little bit for you to eat. All right. And this is it. So, we've got nice layers here. We're going to go ahead, throw this in our oven. And like I said, about a half hour later, we're going to cook this until it's really nice and golden brown on the top and bubbly. And we'll see what it looks like when it's done.
We are going to do the taste test now.
All right. So it is all done. And we did this for, oh, there's the pot holders. This is about 35 minutes on this one. And we wanted it to a nice golden brown consistency on the top. Nice melty cheese.
And melted cheese, it used to be the whole package. And now it's like, all you see is yellow and like barely white.
That's right. So melted cheese tastes good. So now let's go ahead and dig in.
Dig in. Tra-la-la.
Mmm. This is really good. Really cheesy. The salsa just gives it a little bit of a zing. Really not bad at all as far as the flavor. Really creamy. The cream of chicken actually helps with the creaminess. This is, oh man, I'm really hungry right now. What do you think? And you're not even big on the onions, but what do you think about the onions? They're good, right? No, this is really good. And a lot of the stuff is just stuff that's in the pantry. So this is a really good recipe, really versatile, really easy to make, right? What was that? What were you doing right there? What was that little, what was that? Okay. Okay, do a little of that. All right. Really great recipe. So I hope you guys like this. Totally try it. This is one that's fantastic for the weeknights because you just need to throw something together.
It's winter time where we are living, and it's now December, and tomorrow we're going to open up presents because today's Christmas Eve.
So what do you want to say to everybody?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, everybody. All right.
Even if you're in Thanksgiving or summer break.
What? No, it's
Merry
not.
Christmas
No. So happy holidays, everybody. Hope you enjoy this, and we will see you next time.
Bye. I'm really leaving.
No, she's really leaving. What? Where are you going?